Good morning, Internet. I'm still busy with this experiment. We're running it at the moment 207 milliampere at 10.52 volts. The scope is connected to the transistor and connected to the big capacitor. The transistor is also connected to the big wine bottle, and across the wine bottle is that homemade capacitor. Now, from the wine bottle, I've got two wires going out. I've got the green one going directly on the wine bottle coil, and the blue one on the aluminium rod stuck down the center. The blue one goes to the white coil here, but it's not connected across the white coil. It's connected to the output side together with the output lead going to the diode bridge, as well as the red line going to the diode bridge. The lights, the 5 watt LED lights, is only connected across the two capacitors with a 1500 ohm resistor, but this transistor and the pancake coil and the wine bottle coil is maintaining the capacitors at 25 volts. With a load of 5 times 5 watt LED lights. And it is maintaining even picking up. So I'm about to move on. I'm already winding a new wine bottle with different wire, and I've got a few other coils lined up for coming videos. Please like and subscribe, share it with somebody else. Let's see if YouTube's algorithm wants to look after me a bit better, because up to now YouTube has been treating me very badly. Well, I suppose that is the way a cookie crumbles. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.